So in this project we have to build a habit tracker app. It's a React app where we have to use uh, Redux and all. So let me tell you the feature. Add multiple habit. We can do track done, not done, none, and you can show all the habit weekly and see this is the daily habit which you can add. And so 6 days and 7 days basically this is saying to make it weekly. So this you can see week updates. So let me tell you show you my project. This is the opening part, and now if I click on home it will come here, and if we do add like we do running and add, it get added. Here you can click on and delete also. And if we go to the weekly, this is the 6 days process from the date, from the current date. Go to the zine, man, working, reading, save. And let me show you the GitHub code. This is a heavy tracking GitHub code. If we go to the source section where we can see action, reaction, component and reductor, style, all things. And we have style something in style section and put it here. And let me show you the hosted link. This is the hosted link. If we click on visit, it will bring to us here. Then we have to click on home, and this you can add this. This is our app which we have built, habit tracking app.